In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a task as complete in Asana. Hi everyone, and welcome. If you're managing work in Asana, one of the simplest but most important actions is marking a task as complete. Doing this keeps your project organized, updates your team, and gives you that satisfying sense of progress. I'll walk you through exactly how it works on a desktop or laptop and share a few tips so it feels effortless. First, log into your Asana account on a desktop or laptop. Using a full-size screen makes it easier to see the task details and controls. Once you're in, make sure you're in the correct workspace or organization, so you're looking at the right set of projects. Next, open the project that contains the task you want to complete. Projects are where related tasks live, whether you're managing a campaign, a sprint, or a personal to-do list. When the project opens, you can view your work in different layouts. Locate the task in whichever view you're using. In List View, tasks appear in rows. In Board View, they appear as cards and columns. In Timeline View, they're displayed across a schedule. No matter the view, the control to complete a task is always in the same place. Look for the small, empty circle directly to the left of the task's name. That circle is the completion toggle. Click it once. You don't need to open the task panel. Just click the circle. The circle will instantly turn into a check mark, and the task will be marked as complete. You may notice the task becomes grayed out, shows a strike through, or moves to a completed section, depending on your project's settings and filters. That's a good sign that Asana has registered the change, and collaborators will see the update in real time. If you marked something complete by mistake, no problem. To undo it, simply click the checkmark again. The checkmark will revert to an empty circle, and the task will reopen so it's clearly back on your active list. This toggle is great for quick corrections and helps you keep momentum without digging through menus. That's all you need to know to mark a task as complete in Asana. Log in, open the project, find your task, click the circle, and click again if you need to reopen it. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.